Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you how you can lock any application in iPhone after iOS 18 update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In this video you will learn every single step and every single method about how you can lock any application. For example, I want to lock a CapCut here. I will click and hold on CapCut for a little moment and this menu will be pop up here. Now click here fastcode, require fastcode, and here you will see two options, require fastcode and the second one is hide and require fastcode. Let me try first require fastcode here and I will type my passcode for that application. Now whenever I want to open CapCut here, it will require a fastcode here and then the CapCut will be open here. Now how you can remove that fastcode from that CapCut, hold and click on CapCut application here and click on don't require fastcode and again click on your here, type your fastcode here, and whenever you open the CapCut here it will don't require a fastcode. Now let's talk about that second option. Click and hold on CapCut, click on require fastcode and here click on hide and require fastcode. Now type your passcode here and click on hide app and your CapCut is gone. Now how you can find that CapCut in your iPhone? Go to your app library here, go down here and you will find hidden folder. Click on that hidden folder, type your passcode here and you will find your CapCut here in the hidden folder. Then click on CapCut, type your passcode and you are good to go. Now how you can get back that CapCut into normal? Click on that hidden folder, type your passcode here and click and hold on CapCut and click on don't require passcode and type your passcode here and your CapCut will be added to your app library but not into your menu. Click and hold on that CapCut and drag into your menu here and you can also drag it to the corner so it will go back to here. And this video I cover every single point about how you can log in application, you can get back that application, you can hide application and you can get back that application from hidden folder. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.